Hi, my name is Jordan. I'm a student at the American International School of Riyadh. I'm going to be talking about overconsumption. I chose this topic because it is a growing problem, and this problem is universal and is affecting everyone. Overconsumption means to use more than is needed. In 2006, America produced 251 million tons of trash. In 2013, America produced 255 million tons a year. And the amount of trash we are producing is escalating rapidly. An average American eats 120 pounds of meat a year. An average American family uses 300 gallons of water a day. Average American home also uses 911 kilowatt hours a month. The average makes the average person makes 4.3 pounds of waste per day. That's 1.6 pounds more than in 1960. We are also overconsuming natural gas. Electric power generation creates 35% of all of our natural gas. Industrial use contributes 27% of our natural gas use. Residential use makes up 17% of our natural gas use. Commercial creates 12% of our natural gas use. In 2013, transport emissions created more than half of the carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Transportation creates more pollution than you think. It creates pollution during operation, during disposal, during manufacturing, and during refueling. And 4/5 of our household waste can be composed. This is causing about 4 billion trees to be cut down each year for paper alone. If we continue this path of destruction, taking more than is needed, we will run out of landfill space in 7 years. Our trash is made up of 30% organic material, 33% paper and card, 3% textiles, 8% metal, 6% gas, 7% plastics, and 4% fines. Waste management produces 41% of UK's methane emissions, and every year Wales produces 400,000 tons of food and drink waste. This waste ends up in landfills and will rot and release methane gas. And did you know an average family uses 330 glass bottles and jars every year? But glass can easily be recycled into new glass bottles or jars. In the UK, paper and card makes up 1/3 of their waste. There are two types of pollution: primary pollution and secondary pollution. Primary pollution is when the pollutant is directly emitted, and secondary pollution is when you release a chemical and it reacts with another chemical and creates a pollutant. Both types of pollution are created through overconsumption. The primary major pollutants are particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, hazardous air pollutants, and greenhouse gases. Secondary major pollutants are hydrocarbons and sulfur oxide. All of this overconsumption is causing our fish reserves to shrink, our forests to shrink, our water reserves to shrink, and our water reserves to shrink. You can help by buying energy efficient appliances. Buy good gas mileage cars, switch to energy efficient light bulbs, buy local food, eat less red meat, compose your food, and drive less. Use reusable bags, composing your trash, eat all your food, save the food you can't finish, take shorter showers, and use less electricity.